Alright, today I'm going to be doing the Stoptech ST40 big brake kit on the TSX. I've already sprayed everything with PB Blaster just to loosen it up, and yeah, I'm going to go step by step on how to do this. Alright, the first step is going to be to remove the brake fitting and then the brake line holder. Brake fitting using a 10 mil and the brake line holder is a 12. The next step is to remove the two caliper bolts behind the caliper. The top one is here, so go ahead and remove it with a 17. Next step is to remove the rotor, so I'm going to move these two screws and it should pop off. The next step is to remove these 3 screws for the dust shield. Stoptech recommends to use a right angled star, which I don't have, so I'll be using vice grips. Alright, so once that last screw is out, this should come free. There we go. So now we just got to cut this off, bend it back, and take the dust shield off. Alright, the next step is going to be installing this caliper bracket. That's going to be used for the Stoptech caliper. Alright, once that's done, we're going to now install the Stoptech rotor. It's already been washed like it says in the Stoptech instructions. Once the rotor's on, it's going to reinstall the set screws. Alright, so now we have the caliper that we just need to take apart the bridge bolts with a 5mm. Alright, so now we're going to slide the caliper over the caliper bracket and tighten those up. Alright, now that the pads are in, caliper's on, the last step is to install the stainless steel brake line. Just a fitting back here. Just remove that rubber fitting. One end will go to the caliper, and then we have the stock line holder that will go back to the OEM position, and then this will go back to the brake line fitting. Alright. And there we have the Stoptech Big Brake Kit install, ST40 caliper on the Accurate TSX.